In August of 2018, the DART board approved the service plan amendment for the Silver Line. The Silver Line is known as the 26-mile-long track that will span through 7 cities, including Coppell. Construction employees and team members are working hard towards their new goal of completion by 2023. The Silver Line will be located just off of East Beltline Road, in close proximity to the Sound. Many local residents have expressed the positive and negative impacts the DART may have on a location with a variety of local restaurants and stores.
I think that public transportation is really important both for communities and small businesses, and they bring more people to areas like this.
I think some potential benefits of the DART train is that it will really help a lot of people in all of these communities where it goes through, and it'll probably make it, I feel like it can go both ways, where it makes it less crowded on the streets for cars, but also more, because if it's being used more, it means that cars are gonna have to stop at those railways. The bad thing about it though is I feel like it could bring a lot of noise just in general.
I think the DART train could really be beneficial for people who are like me who don't drive because we didn't get our license yet. I think the DART train is very useful, and also I think it's a good idea because public transportation is just commonly known to be safer for the environment, and I think it just is a good way to get a bunch of people to point A to point B without having to worry about the prices too much.
For more updates on our new neighborhood DART train, visit dart.org. For KCBY, I'm Hailey Wilkins.